How to install Google Play Store in PC. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated to this channel. So to download Google Play Store in your PC, you would need help from the emulator called BlueStacks. So go to the BlueStacks and just download it like here. Since I have already downloaded it, it will show a retry. So if you have already downloaded it, this will be the face of the BlueStacks, and you can see here we have already Google Play Store in it, and in here you can see that there are a lot of apps or games available for you to download, but you can also search the app that you want to download here. For example, Call of Duty. Just type it in and search, and you can see here that it is available for download, just like in the normal Play Store. So I hope this helps for you. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.